Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sounds and vibrations. As you can see here, we've got whole ringtone sections, and we can change the ringtone for calls. This is the very first option, but also for the notifications and system sounds. Let me show you how to do it using the ringtone. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of the list we've got the silent option, so it means that after choosing it, your device won't notify you about any incoming call. So I'm not really sure if it is the best idea. What's more, in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, and thanks to this we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to check how the particular one sounds is to simply tap on it. Let me volume it down a little bit. So you can check all of them if you want to, and after picking the one you would like to set, just make sure that it is marked and simply go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about any incoming call. Of course, it will work the same with notifications and system. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.